Welcome back everyone. So if you have recently bought a new computer or you are new on Windows PC or laptop, then there are 10 useful CMD commands that will be helping you to gather and collect many kind of information and even help you to manage your computer for the future problems. So without any delay, let's quickly get started. Before starting guys, make sure if this video helped you, then please hit the like, subscribe, and it will not cost you anything but will surely help my channel to bring more valuable videos for you. So in order to bring up the command prompt, you will have to click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes, and the command prompt box will now be coming up. Now here the very first command that I will share with you is slmgr /xpr. And now you will hit the enter key. So this will bring up the Windows script host, and it will let you know that what kind of edition of Windows you are using and whether this machine is permanently activated or not. And now the next command is wm ic space logical disk space get space size comma free space comma and caption. Now you will be getting all this command in the description, so you can also copy and paste. So once you paste this command, hit the enter key. So this command shows the total available size in your disk drive to ensure you receive the right storage that you were promised from the manufacturer. Okay, now let's move to the next command, that is ndtsh space adv firewall space show space all profiles. Now once you type this command and hit the enter key, it will let you know the firewall status, and you can see the status, the firewall policy, the inbound user notification, the remote management. You can find all these information from here only. For your private network, for your public network, all the information will be displayed over here. So basically it will help you to understand that whether your firewall protection is working or not. So if it's been on, so that's okay, but if it's off, then you will have to manually enable it. Okay, now let's move to the next command, that is wm ic space startup space list full. So this command will list all the software installed on a device with their drive and registry location, and this can be of great use to completely remove any unwanted or malicious software for your computer. Now why I'm sharing this command, because many times people purchase any kind of refurbished or any kind of old laptop from anybody else. So it's very important to ensure that there is not any kind of malicious software installed, because I have seen many people while selling the computer, they install any kind of malicious software, and that can be the reason behind hacking. So this way you can find out all the application installed, you can know their drive location, and you can also know their registry location. And if you don't identify it, then you can go ahead and remove them completely from your computer, from your registry, and from the C drive. Okay, now the next command is task list. So once you type this command, hit the enter key. So it will list you all the active program and the application running in the background. This can be really useful for the people who are not aware about this program. They can find out that what exactly is running in their background. They can look for any application that looks suspicious, and then you can copy that particular name, search in the Google, and if you find that application malicious, then you have to go ahead and close it. Now the next command is of great use to find out the computer information. So for that you have to type a very simple command, that will be system info. And once you hit the enter key, it will gather all kind of information about your processor, your RAM, your virtual memory. So you can see here, first it will give you the host name, that is your username, the OS name, even it will give you the product ID, the system boot time, the system model, the BIOS version, the boot device, the total physical memory that you have installed on a computer, detail about the virtual memory, the page file location, network card, Hyper-V requirements. So all the detail will be listed over here, and this will be really useful to find out the detail about your computer. And even in the future, if you go ahead and troubleshoot any problem, then these details will be surely helping you. And now the next command will be helping you to troubleshoot many kind of internet problem. So what happened, many times you are connected with the Wi-Fi or with the LAN connection, but when you try to access any kind of website through your browser, the website is not coming up. So by using this command, it will help you that whether you have the connectivity between the internet or not. So what you need to do, simply type ping, give a space, then you have to type the website name, that can be any website like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Yahoo, or anything. So let me type www.google.com, and this time if I hit the enter key, so if you are getting the reply from this IP address that belongs to this website, so that means you have the internet connectivity between the internet and your device. But if you are not getting the reply, or if it gets failed to ping to this website, then that means that you don't have the active internet connection on your computer. Alright, so now let's move to the next command, that is powerpfg.ppl. So once you type this command, and this will bring up the power options, and it will display all kind of your power plan, which power plan has been currently selected. So here you need to decide that which power plan you have to go with. So So depending on your work, depending on your use, you have to choose a different power plan. So if you do any kind of basic work, and if you are on a laptop and you are more concerned about the battery backup, then you can go either with a balanced or with a power saver. But if you are on a PC or even on a laptop and you are concerned more about the performance, not about the battery backup, then you will have to click on show additional plan, and then you have to go with the high performance. And now the next command that I'm going to share with you is a very useful command that will help you in many kind of stages, especially for resetting your password. So the command is control space user passwords and number 2. Once you type this command and hit the enter key, this will bring up the user account, and from here you can find out that what kind of local account has been created on your computer, and from here only you can click on properties, you can change the username, you can change the permission whether it should be a standard user or an admin user. Apart of that, if you want to remove it, then you can remove it. If you want to add a new user account, then you can click on add, and from here you can either go with a Microsoft account or you can also go with a local account. So this is a very useful command and you must know about this command, especially if you keep forgetting your Windows password. And now let's move to the last command, that is rstrui.exe. And once you hit the enter key, this will bring up the system restore box. And basically system restore is very important for each and every user. So what basically it does, if you create a restore point today where a computer is working absolutely perfect, so in future if anything goes wrong with the computer, if it's not working properly, there is a lot of infection, lots of viruses, or if you have lost any kind of data accidentally, then you can restore your computer back to the same stage where the computer was working fine. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found all these CMD command useful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.